Yes, welcome to my Angular class, everyone. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Okay, everyone. Right. Now, today class onwards, we are going to work with the Angular. So, today class onwards, we are going to work with the Angular. So, first introduction, then after installation, then after topics in the Angular, we are going to complete. Okay, everybody. Right. So, before going to the demo class or else anything, uh, I want to give you some course information and project related things. Somebody has some doubt. Does he teach any project in the last? If he teach any project, what type of project or something like that? So that's why before starting of the class, I want to go through that project. Understand everybody? What is the project we are going to do in the last? So in the last, we are going to do two types of projects. Okay, by using REST APIs only. One, CRUD operations. Okay, creating data, retrieving data, updating data, deleting data. So almost in every application that will be 60%. Okay, so CRUD operations is one project, and second application is this project, e-commerce food application. Okay, everybody, this is an e-commerce project. You can order the food. Okay, right. It is a mean stack project. M MongoDB, E Express.js, A Angular, N Node.js. Of course, the Node.js directly we don't write, but in the Express.js only we will write. So whatever it may be, Node. So here entire mean stack course I don't teach you. I will teach you only Angular. But in the project, I will tell you how to combine this Angular with a server-side technology. Okay, Express.js and MongoDB. Okay, and whatever the code I write, definitely I will explain that. Whatever the code I will write, that code I will explain to you. So that what is the benefit is you will get Angular also, and you will get knowledge about mean stack applications also. In the future, if anybody want to move to the mean stack or else any other server side technology full stack developer, you don't feel any confusion. Understand everyone? Please respond. Hello. Respond
Yes,
kindly,
sir.
don't be silent. Okay, right, right.
Yes, yes.
So this is our application. So it is a food application. So if you observe there, this one, yeah, this is a username and a logout and a cart related information. Okay, and this is the foods I have. So total I have 8 foods. So these 8 foods we have different categories. All categories 8 products. Okay, in the 8, 6 are fast food. In the 8, 5 are lunch. Okay, some people some products are multiple also. We can take it as fast food, but still we can use it for lunch also. Some foods are pizzas, some foods are slow food, some foods are soup, only one, hamburger one, burger one, fry one. So see it in the 8 only it is coming like this. Understand everyone? Please respond. Okay, right. So you can search the food here, or else directly can click on the, if you want to eat fast food, directly can click on the fast food. Only see it how much count it is showing, 6. How many products it is showing, see it, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Understanding, right? For example, pizza, you want to eat only pizza, see it, 3 products it is showing, and sorry, here count is showing 3, and we are getting 3 only. This is not a dummy thing, we are getting from the database only. Okay, everyone, right? So I will tell you how to connect with the database, MongoDB database also, by using Node.js, how to set up that environment and everything I will teach you. Okay, so pizza, for example, slow food, how many? 2. What is that? Chicken soup and meatball. Okay, everyone, right? So soup is 1 only, say it's chicken soup. Fry 1 only, what is that? Fried potatoes. Hamburger, hamburger only. Burger 1. Spicy cheeseburger. Lunch 5. Say it everyone. So this entire thing is coming from database only. This count also not statically we are keeping. This count also coming dynamically. How many products are there? That count automatically here displaying. Okay, this is one thing. And if you are searching here food, for example, I'm typing here pizza. See it, I'm typing there pizza and I'm pressing enter. I'm not clicking on the search button. I am typing there enter. See it, immediately you are getting that pizza, and here also it is showing search/pizza. See it, pizza, pepperoni, vegetables, pizza, vegetables, magenta pizza. Are you getting or not? Respond everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes.
I am clicking on, yeah, okay, right. I am clicking here and I'm clicking on logout. So it immediately displaying here as login. Okay, everyone, immediately displaying as login. See it, cart is empty. Go to home page. See it, cart now. It is not showing any data. It is not showing any data here. Understand everyone? Right. That means count. Previously it has shown one, but it is not showing anything. Okay, that is one thing. So now we need to click on the login. See it? Whenever there is no user is login, then only it is showing login. Once there is login, it will show your username. For example, typing yes. Okay, sorry. See it, I have entered a wrong username. One more time observe. Login failed. Username or password is invalid. Are observing or not? Bottom. Respond everyone. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, right. So give me 1 minute. I will be back. Give me 1 minute, please. Sorry, everyone. Right. So whenever I enter there, wrong username and password, it's showing error. And see here, if he is new user, so directly I'm not giving here register link. So I will click on the login. If he is not really registered user, then only he can click on the register here. Okay, right. So now I'm clicking on, see it, should not be empty. That validations also I'm showing. 1, 2, 3. Click on login. See it, immediately it is showing login successful. Welcome to my food app, Ramesh. And your username also here it is displaying Ramesh. Okay, right. Now click on the product, whatever you want. So for example, say details page. Whenever you click on the product, say it is going to the products details page. This is a product, this is a product name. Okay, favorite or not, it is also showing here. Of course, we cannot do anything, right? So Italy, country origin, where it has from. So generally it is from Italy. So fast food, pizza and lunch. So it is coming under 3 categories. So pizza can be treated as fast food also because it can be made within 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, and pizza. So pizza is a separate category, and we can take, somebody takes pizza for lunch also. So he is coming here in the 3 categories. So time to cook, see it 10 to 20 minutes, and the price is what? $10. Okay, so whenever you click on the add to cart, it is going to the cart page. So here, if you observe their product image is there, product name. This everything is dynamic only, nothing is static here. Okay, right. So pizza pepperoni product name and quantity and price and remove button. Whenever you change the quantity, for example, I'm changing as 2. See it immediately it is updating here 20. Here also count is 2, price is 20. Observing right everybody. See it, cart also it is showing as 2 only. Understanding my point? Respond kindly. Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. So then after, if you click on the remove, it will be removed also. See it immediately cart is empty. Cart is empty. Go to home page. Go to the home page. Okay, right. Now again come there. Pizza pepperoni and add to cart. So this is checkout. See it count one no $10 only. Okay, so it is also working. Now if you whenever you click on the checkout page, whenever you go into the checkout page, it should be login. So since I have logged in, immediately it is going to the checkout page only. Okay, everyone, right. Here we have order related username. Order form, order name means what? Username, not a product name. And order related address. Palnad district, just normal I am writing. So order items, pizza pepperoni, $10, totally $10. And before going to the payment, see this is the payment page. Before going to the payment, here there is a button called find my location. So user can choose his address, okay, from his device. So click on the find my location. See it. I am telling you how to work with maps also. This is Google Maps. Okay, everyone, how to work with the maps also. So okay, everybody. So this is my current location. This is this thing. Okay, right now click on the go to payment page. See it. This is the payment page. And again, one more time showing here order summary, user related name, user related address, product related information, and then after address shipping related address. Okay, this is it. And then after PayPal buttons, debit or credit card. Whenever you click that, this page will be open. So this is PayPal developer account. I will tell you how to create a PayPal developer account. Clear everyone? I will tell you how to create a PayPal developer account also. That's it. So this is how we can do it. Clear it everybody? This is the project we are going to do. Clear or not? And whenever you click on the logout, you can go to the logout also. Already I have showed you. This is the cart related information. It is interesting or not? Respond kindly. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone. This is the only the project we are going to do. So totally two projects. One is CRUD operations. Another one is okay. This means tech project. One more time telling, I am not going to teach you complete MongoDB, complete Express.js, Node.js. But whatever the code is required to learn this, definitely I will teach. Okay, that code I will explain to you. And application structure also, that is not a dummy thing. Somebody they don't they don't make develop application in a appropriate way. That means in a standard. So here, if you observe there, this is the entire project. Ramesh means stack e-commerce project. This thing, and there is two folders. Front end means Angular, back end means Node.js related thing. So in the front end, I have installed Angular, and in the back end, I'm writing each and every line code to Node.js. See it in the src folder only. I'm going to write configuration, database configuration, constants, middleware, models. Okay, in the public folder, what should be there? Routers and data and server. This is the data we will insert into the database, MongoDB database, and this is a major file server.ts. Okay, everybody, routers. Here I will use data for the food related things, user related things. I will show you some code. Of course, you cannot understand in the starting days, but I will show you. See here, inserting foods manually. Then after onwards, retrieving. Get means what? Retrieving all the foods. Then after search related functionality, search term. Then after tags related functionality, see it. This is for to display all the tags here. Wait a second, I will show you. There is all the tags is there, right? So all tags, fast food, lunch, pizza, slow food, these are also coming dynamically. That count also. To retrieve only this line, we need to write this much code. Only that line purpose. Okay, right. And then after, whenever you click on the tag now, for example, you are click on the lunch 5, right? See it, tag/lunch. This is the URL, tag/tag name lunch. So the traded products, and I'm sending to the front end foods. Then after food ID, for example, see it, I am click on the here. So this is the details I'm getting. So how these details are coming from this URL, get/food ID. Okay, so from this ID I'm getting, and I'm sending to the front end. These are food related things. In the same way, user related things, order related things also there. If the user clicks on the register form, and if you want to enter the data, register related functionality, say find one. If the email is there or not, we are checking. If the email already existed, I'm showing here, you have already registered, please log in. Okay, if you want to try to register with the same email second time, I'm not allowing, only one time only, one email, one time. And then after, I am showing here password related things also. That means directly I'm not inserting the password. For example, I have inserted as my password 123456, but here hash is also coming. Okay, that means what? I'm encrypting the password. I'm not reading the password directly. I am encrypting the password. Okay, I am entering into the data. See it, email before inserting into the database, I am converting all the letters into lowercase only. And see it, in the place of password, I'm inserting encrypted password. That purpose we need to use bcrypt. That is, I will, of course, in the starting days you cannot understand any code. I'm not here. My intention not to understand about the code. I am telling you about the what we are going to do. That's it. Okay. So then after inserting in the user, okay, and JSON web token. So whenever the inserted, immediately I'm raising a token. Then after here login. Once he login, see it, email is there or not, I am finding. After that password is matching or not, I am finding. If okay, then after if it is matching, then I'm sending to the after login also I'm generating a token. Else if there is any problem in the email or password, see it, username or password is invalid. Previously this is the message you are seeing. Okay, generated token response login. See it, I'm generating the token also. This is related to users in the MongoDB, only MongoDB. Then after configuration, how to connect with the database. So first, how to get this URL. That is also I will tell you. Understand everybody? So database related things, and then after how to coordinate with REST APIs and everything, here it is there. This is related to backend. In the front end Angular also you can see. So SRC. So the topic also will be covered. Once I open this app module at ES, what are the topics I will teach you, that is also will be covered. See it, HTTP, working with REST APIs, we need to work with HTTP. HTTP interceptors. So interceptors concept also I will tell you. Routing module, I will tell you about routing related functionality also. Reactive forms module and forms template driven forms module also I will teach you. In the project I'm using reactive forms module. Definitely it will be useful in the real time. Understand it everybody? Then after toaster module. So previously I've seen, right, user is login, user is log out or something like that. See it. One more time showing. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Say here everybody. This is the toaster messages. Understand everyone? This is the toaster messages. Login successful. Welcome to my food app. Observe the bottom right side. This one. Okay. So how to work with the toasters? So toaster module. Then after all interceptors. This is the interceptors concept, and here I'm implementing on the user registries. Okay. Once the user is login, immediately I'm generating the token. That token I'm sending to the backend. Okay. This one. Okay, understand it everybody? In the front end, I will generate a token, that one. So to do that, we need to use interceptor concept, and the components concept is there. Not found concept. So if any product is not there or anything, I'm showing here as not found. Then after food details, see it. Cart page, title page, login page, you got default button page, text input component. For each and everything, we are creating components, and see it. PayPal button, order tracking button. Sorry, PayPal button component, order tracking page, payment page component, map component. See it, maps. Google, I told you, right, how to work with maps. Okay, these are all related to component. See it, map component and these things. These are all related to modules, that related modules. So HTTP, reactive forms, toaster related things, we need to use this. And these things we need to have browser animation module, any graphical things, and the interceptors, how to work with interceptors, how to keep in the app module. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello. Topics also all automatically have covered. Okay,
Yes.
everyone. Okay, right. So that without any this thing. So search functionality is there, tags functionality is there, register, login, cart count. Then after this thing, removing cart. Okay, changing the quantity, and depends upon the quantity, changing the price, and checkout page. In the checkout page of find my location, that means how to integrate maps in our application, maps functionality. Okay, and how to carry the information from one component another component, that is also completed. Then after payment related functionality, how to create a PayPal developer account. So this is the real time stuff you are getting. So definitely will get 2 to 3 years of knowledge also. Understand everybody? So I also my course will be useful for beginner to pro. Understand everyone? So beginner to pro, this course will be helpful. So why I'm telling before the demo is because somebody will leave due to their office works or anything in middle of the course only. In that case, they don't find what is the project I'm going to teach. So that's why starting of the class only I'm teaching this. Okay. So clear it everybody? Respond everyone. Okay,
Yes.
right. So yeah, now I want to tell you about course related information. As a part of this course, what will you get is, so I will give you TypeScript videos also. I'm not going to teach one more time, okay? TypeScript videos I will give you. Definitely it will be useful for interview purpose also, and this thing in the company also it will be useful. TypeScript videos you will get. Okay, everybody, right? Whoever paid, they will get the videos. And then after, Angular live recorded videos. Angular live recorded videos. Okay, everybody, with example files which contains notes. Okay, everyone. So in the example file, I have a notes. That file, that notes I will share with you. Clear or not? Respond kindly. I don't have any pre-written material. Okay, so material is not that PDF file. Please don't expect anything like that. But example files, whatever the example files I will teach you. In that example files, I will give you the notes also, so that theory, practical, and output, everything you can check. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello. And this is the libraries and the frameworks. Yeah, libraries and frameworks, because we cannot explain in the framework that much clearly. Why? Because in order to manipulate a single letter also, single word also, we need to refer sometimes so many files. Sometimes one or two files we need to refer. Sometimes 3 to 4 files we need to refer. In that case, if I am explaining theoretically in the material, it doesn't give you full-fledged knowledge. That's my intention. So that's why example files and notes I'm giving separately, and the live recorded videos also I'm giving you. So all my classes will be understandable whenever you watch the videos also. Okay, everybody, especially frameworks and libraries. Okay, that is our process. So whenever you know how to do that process, then only you can understand the theory related to that. Okay, everybody. So please watch all my videos. Okay, everyone. Right, Angular live recorded videos. That means this video also recording. This video I will share with you. Okay, this is one thing. And example files with notes. Okay, right. And related course related information, class related information. Above one is course related information. This is class related information. So first, class days. Monday to Friday. Clear, everybody? What is that? Class days are Monday to Friday. Okay. So class timings. Daily morning. Okay, daily 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Indian, as per Indian timings. Indian timings are Indian time zone. That is correct word. Okay, everybody, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. as per Indian time zone. Okay, everybody. So this is the class days. Okay, Monday to Friday and class timings. And then after, what is their duration? So duration will be 2 to 3 months. Okay, everybody, right. So this is about core class related information. Okay, everyone, you will get TypeScript videos also, Angular live recorded videos also. Okay, right. So TypeScript also live recorded videos only. No need to worry about that. Okay, whenever I'm teaching, at that time I have recorded, so that will be useful. Everything with practical examples. Okay, okay, right. And then after class days, this thing Monday to Friday, class timings are daily 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. as per Indian time zone. So duration will be 2 to 3 months. And already I have shown you the project. Are you clear about the course information? Respond kindly.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, right.
sir.
Right.
Will you cover NGRX?
NGRX. See, NGRX means yes, observables, map, these things will be there. Okay, Prerit? Right.
Okay.
That means we will do 1 second, Ashish. Yeah, let me give me about course information. Then after we'll go there, prerequisites. Okay, Prerit. So how to work with the RxJS related functionality here, that is what I will tell you. That is called NGRX. Okay, Prerit. Okay, right. Yes, this is about the course related information. Okay, everyone. Right. So that's it. Now we are going to enter the introduction of the class. So up to here it is everybody clear, right? Yes. Then now go to the course related information. Okay, right. What is Angular and we are going to do? So before going to that, what is the prerequisites? Yes, good question. Okay, so right now I want to discuss with you prerequisites. So prerequisites are HTML, okay, CSS, JavaScript or TypeScript or any other language related OOPS concepts. Okay, and if you have bootstrap knowledge also, you can understand the easily responsive designing things. So these are all the prerequisites. Among all these things, I am giving you TypeScript videos, which is very, very important because Angular developed by TypeScript and see it. I have clearly right here. Okay, developed by Google company using TypeScript language. That's why I'm giving you TypeScript related videos. Okay, everybody, right? And HTML and CSS, I'm not going to teach in this as a part of this course. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, I'm not going to teach. That means whatever the code I have written, I will explain. But this is the prerequisites. Already you should know that. Okay, everybody, already before joining the course only, you should know about that. So what are those? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or else any other language related OOPS concepts. But TypeScript, I'm giving the videos. Then after Bootstrap. Clear, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Thank you. So now coming to this prerequisites, I completed. Now going to enter the introduction about the Angular. So what is Angular? Why we need to work with the Angular? All those things we are going to discuss. So what is Angular? Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework. What is that? Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company. Okay, what is that? Developed by Google company using TypeScript language. Developed by what? Google company, and by using TypeScript language. So each and every framework and library, okay, frameworks related Angular, libraries related React JS or anything, jQuery or anything, of course. Okay, each and every framework and libraries has to develop by using any core language only. Used to any by using any core language only. Okay, so that means what? By using by using languages, we can develop n number of frameworks, and libraries. But by using a language, by using a framework or library, we cannot develop a language. By using a language, we can develop so many frameworks. Okay, by using a language, we can develop so many frameworks and libraries. But by using frameworks and libraries, we cannot develop a language. Okay, right. So this is the language has used by the Google company. TypeScript is a language. So by used by the Google company, and they have developed this framework called Angular. It follows what? MVC structure. MVC means what? Model View Controller. What is that, everybody? Model View Controller. Okay, I will explain how this structure will be works. Okay, right. But if you observe these words here, client side framework. What is that, everybody? Client side framework. Okay, so what is client side and what is server side? In the uh, software industry, we have two types of languages, technologies. We have two types of technologies: client side technologies and server side technologies. What are the differences between them? Okay, then after, why we need to use frameworks or libraries nowadays? That means whenever coming to application development nowadays, everybody using either frameworks or libraries only to develop the applications. To develop the application, everybody using, okay, libraries and frameworks only. So why they are using? This is the points I want to discuss with you. Then after, we are going to the TypeScript related information. Okay, right. So first of all, why? What is the differences between? What is the difference between client side technologies and server side technologies? Respond, everybody. As per your knowledge, respond. What are the differences between client side technologies and server side technologies? Hello.
The technology which is handled by backend is known as server technology, and the technology which is handled by the user point of view or the client side, then it is called as client side technology.
Okay. Right. Who responded? Predit you?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So now I will tell my points also. Okay, everyone. Right. So what are the differences between client side technology and what are the differences between server side technologies? So the major differences are client side versus server side technologies are by using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. We cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily. By using client side technologies, we can store our data temporarily. So to store our data temporarily also, we should use only JavaScript language. Generally, we have three languages, client side technologies. HTML, CSS, JavaScript are the client side technologies only. But okay, but to work with this, what is that? To store temporarily also, to store our data temporarily, we need to use to store our data temporarily. To store our data temporarily. Okay, we need to use only JavaScript. HTML and CSS is not useful for storing purpose. That is useful for only creating the user interface. That means by using HTML, we can create a text box and we can style that text box by using CSS. But what user can do, he can enter the data. After entering the data, okay, we cannot do anything with the data by using HTML and CSS. If we want to do anything with the data by using, okay, user entered by the user, so we need to go for JavaScript language to store our data temporarily. Okay, everyone, is this point clear? Respond, everyone.
Yes.
Okay, right. But coming to server-side technology, by using server-side technologies, we can store our data permanently. So how we can store our data permanently? Very simple. If we want to store our data permanently, we need to store the data in a database. So the technology, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. What is that? To connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Okay, everyone. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Clear it, everybody? So the technologies, whatever you are using, if the technology has the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database, those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. What are the examples of server-side technologies? What are they? Node.js. What is that? Node.js, PHP, Java, .NET, Python, C, C++, okay, Ruby on Rails. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Why? Because by using all these languages, we are able to connect with the databases. For example, by using PHP, we are able to connect with the MySQL database. By using PHP. By using Java, we are able to connect with the Oracle database. Okay, by using Python, we can able to connect with the SQL or else any one of the database. Okay, by using Node.js, we are able to connect with the MongoDB. So by using these languages, we are able to connect at least one database. Of course, multiple also we can connect, but at least one database we are able to connect. Are you clear? Respond kindly. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, everyone. Right. We are able to connect with the database also. Okay. Right. So that's why we are able to connect with the databases. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Okay. Right. Now, what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? What are the advantages of storing our data in the database? Because we are storing our data in the database, right? Because I want to store our data permanently, right? So if I store the data in the database, what are the advantages? As per your knowledge, you can respond. Hello.
We can store unlimited data
Okay.
and it is permanent.
Oh, yes. So we can store unlimited data. Of course, that we can store a huge amount of data. That is correct, and that is permanent. So that is also advantages. Any other points? Right. Now I will explain that. Okay, everybody. Right. Now see here. What is the advantage of storing our data in the database? One, we can store our data permanently. Good point, Pradeep. Okay. Right. Second point is, of course, we can store huge amount of data. So that's okay. Right. And second point is, we can organize and manage our data faster. Okay. We can organize and manage our data faster. Else we can access our data faster. We can organize and manage our data so that we can access the data faster. Okay, everybody, so that we can access our data faster. What is organizing and what is managing? What is organizing and managing? For example, everybody has clothes and everybody washed. So I'm comparing with real world example. Okay, everybody washes their clothes also. After washing their clothes, what we'll do? We'll keep in the sunshine. Okay, so that after some time it will be dried also. After okay, our clothes is dried, somebody what they will do? Okay, they will collect the clothes and somebody they will iron and they will fold and they will keep in the appropriate shelves. They will organize very well. Okay, somebody what they will do? They don't iron, they don't keep in a shelf or anything. Just they will throw it on the chair. Okay, they will keep all the clothes. Okay, like a bunch. Okay, in the chair, on the chair. Then what happens? So whoever organizing the clothes, whenever they want to go to outside, immediately they will find the dress. Okay, everyone, right? So who is not organizing well, who is keeping all the clothes in the chair without folding or anything, then what happens? Whenever they want to go to outside, what happens? So at least they want to find at least a t-shirt and pant, right? So whenever they want to find at least two clothes, one top and one bottom, okay, it will take lot of time. Why? Because they need to find where is that t-shirt, where is that pant and everything. Who is organizing? Easily they will find because they are organizing very well. Here t-shirts, here shirts, here pants, here joggers or something like that they are keeping separately. Okay, everyone, right? So that what happens, whenever you organize the things, whatever you have, you can get it faster. If you are not organizing well, okay, things will be there in your home only, but in order to get that things also, okay, it will be take lot of time also. Are you understanding or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. In the same way, whenever you want to store your data related to database, that means why we use a database to store an application related data. So in an application, there will be lot of so many types of data. For example, if you observe here, there is products related data also there. See, all the products are coming from database. Okay, and if you observe there, some data related to users also. Okay, everybody. So whenever it is coming to anything, that is huge amount of the different types of also data will be there. Some data related to users, some data related to products. Okay, some data related to categories. Okay, everyone. Some data related to subcategories. Okay, some data related to orders, some data related to order details. Okay, everyone. Some data related to payments. Okay, everybody, right? So if you want to store the data individually, what we'll do, we can, of course we are storing in a database, but in the database also how we are storing? By dividing into tables. So how we will store the data in the data table? Rows and columns. For example, product id, product name, product size, product color, product description, okay, product return policy, and everything will keep there. Understanding or not? In the same way, category id, category name, okay, user id, user name, user first name, user last name, user email, user password, user gender, okay, user qualification, and user address, everything will store. Are understanding or not? So that what happens, though we are storing in the same database, but we are dividing the data into tables. In that related table only we are storing that. So that what happens, whenever you want the data from the products, only will get it from the only products table only. Whenever you want to get the data from the users, only will get users related data only. Whenever you want to get the data from the categories, only we will get the categories related data only. So that what happens, though the data is huge, unlimited data, but still we are able to access faster. Why? Because we are dividing into multiple tables. This is called organizing and managing. So that what happens, we can retrieve the data faster. And however you are writing the queries, that is also one of the reason to make your application faster. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Second point. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay, everyone. Right. This is one thing. And third thing is what? We can use same data in multiple places. That means what? This is called dynamic behavior. So our data will be get dynamic behavior. Okay. So we can use same data in multiple places. This is called dynamic behavior. Okay, right. If we modify the data, if we modify the data in the database, then data will be updated immediately in all the place wherever we have the same data. Okay, everyone. So what is the dynamic behavior? Very simple. If we manipulate in one place, if we manipulate in one place, if it is affecting other place also, that is called dynamic behavior. That is called dynamic behavior. Okay, right. For example, see here, there is sorry, there is cart. See it, if I change here, it is affecting here. What is this? Dynamic behavior only. And then after here also it is affecting, here also it is affecting. What is this? Dynamic behavior. Dynamic behavior means, don't get confused, the data which is coming from database, that is also dynamic data, but that is not only the dynamic functionality. If we manipulate in one place, if it is affecting other places, that is also comes under dynamic behavior only. So it will add dynamic behavior for our web pages. Okay, everybody, sorry, it will add dynamic behavior for our data in the web page. It will add dynamic behavior for our data only. For example, I have A1 page, A2 page, A3 page, think like that. A1, okay, A2, A3 and A4. Up to that 100 pages, think like that. Up to A100 I have. But in all the in all the 100 pages, first 3 paragraphs are common. What is that? First 3 paragraphs are common. Think like that. Assume that scenario. Okay. First 3 paragraphs are common. Okay. Then what is the thing I will do? I will create a table for that common related paragraphs. Common paragraphs. Okay. For example, common data. So what I will do? I will keep that 3 paragraphs in that common data table. Okay, common data table. Okay, understand everybody? So in all the 100 pages, what I will open all the 100 pages individually. In all the 100 pages, I will write the query to collect the data from the common data table. Of course, in the first day it will take little time, 1 hour, 2 hours time, because I need to call in the 100 pages. Okay, everyone, right? Then after second day, what client told? No, I want to add one more paragraph also, after the third paragraph. I want to add one more paragraph after the third paragraph. Clear or not? Respond everybody. After the third paragraph. That is also common for all the 100 paragraphs. So then what is the thing I will do? No need to open all the 100 pages this time. Just we need to manipulate in the database area. That's it. Automatically it will affect in all the 100 pages also. So that we are doing in one place, automatically it is affecting in all other places also. So next day what happens? Within 2 minutes it is completing. 100 pages also it is completing within 2 minutes only. Clear or not? Respond everybody. This is called dynamic behavior. Hello. Respond please. Okay, right. See, not only one person, other persons also can respond through voice. Please kindly respond through voice. Okay, right. So this is called dynamic data. Okay, right. Then after, what is the other advantage? Everybody can see the same information with all updated data. Updation of data will be very easy. Just now I told. Okay, right. And what is the other advantage? Everybody can see the same information. For example, if you open, okay, if you open, what is that? Amazon.in. Okay, Amazon.in. If you are searching for Reebok shoes and your friend also open Amazon.in, he also searching for Reebok shoes, both will see the same data or else different data? Respond everybody. Both will see the same data or different data?
Same.
Same data. Okay, right. So then what, that is the meaning. So sorry, then what is the advantage? Everybody can see the same data. Okay, everybody, right. For example, you are reading an article about Michael Jackson in the Wikipedia. You are reading from India, and somebody also reading about article about Michael Jackson. He is reading from USA. Both will see the same data or different data? Same data. Why? Because they are storing our data in their database only. So that what happens? Everybody can see the same data. So data is storing in one place, but is effect it is reflecting in multiple devices also. Clear it, everybody? Right. If anybody develops the if anybody modifies the data, what happens? Immediately that will be updated in the entire application. So whoever seeing that application, immediately they will see the updated data only. That is also one advantage. That means everybody can see the same data. Okay, right. Then what is other advantage? No need to do the same work multiple times. What is that, everybody? No need to do the same work multiple times. For example, you want to purchase a product from Amazon.in. Can you purchase a product directly? Respond, everybody. Can you purchase a product directly from the Amazon? Respond.
No.
No. What they will do? They will ask you for login. So can you log in directly? No. They will ask you to register. So whenever you are registering, what happens? They will store your data in the database. Then what happens? For example, you want to purchase the Amazon.in product today. You are not a registered user. So you have registered and you have purchased. Okay, well and good. Then after 2 days, you want to purchase another product also. Then what happens? They don't ask you to register. They don't ask you to register. They will ask you to only log in only. So that they will track your information on which date you are purchasing, what product you are purchasing, what is the size, what is the color. Okay, when are you purchasing? So that what happens, whenever you return that product, they will check the return policy, available or not. So if it is available, then only they will give you that. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. That product. So that means what? So if you are not if you are registering, what happens? Only one time only they will ask you to register. Second time onwards, they will ask you to only log in. That's it. Okay, right. For example, if you are registering, they are not storing in their database. They are storing in the user's computer only. Then what happens? Very simple. For example, you have purchased it today. Okay, so you got your product. That's okay. Well and good. Fine. Then after, your friend is there in your home or else in your room, and your friend doesn't have any computer. He want to use your computer, or else that she want to use your computer. That person want to use your computer. Then what happens? So she also want to use her own account only. That person also want to use that person's personal account only, because if anybody purchasing multiple times, they will give some offers or some coupons also they will give. So that person doesn't want to lose their coupons and everything. So that purpose, what is the thing they will do? What is the thing they will do? They want to create their own account only. So they have creating their own account also. Then what happens? Since they are storing in the client's user's computer, okay, that new person data will overwrite the previous person data. For example, your friend data will be overwrite your data. Okay, so that person also purchased this product. Okay, right. Then after, what happened? After 2 days, again you want to purchase your product one more time. Then what happens? Again you need to register. After that, again your friend want to purchase another product. Again that person has to register. So multiple times, okay, a single person has to do the same task. Why? Because they are storing in the user's computer. They are not storing in the user's related database. Clear or not? Respond kindly. Hello. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. But rather than that, what is this Amazon persons and Flipkart person, Myntra, okay, every application, web application developer are doing? Whenever the user is registering, immediately they are storing the data in their database only. Then what is the advantage? They don't ask you to second time to register. That's it. So this is the advantage of storing our data in the database. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Okay, right. So that's it, everybody. This is the class for today. So till today we have discussed about this thing topic only. What is client side technology? What is server side technology? What are the differences between only? Okay, everyone. Right. So tomorrow class I will discuss about other topics also. Okay, what is framework? Why we need to use framework? Okay, right. And career related things and everything we'll discuss. Okay, everyone. Right. So that's it, everybody. This is a class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet and we'll continue with the other topics. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. Yeah, thanks for attending this class. Tomorrow meet will continue. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you.